Well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, coming back to encourage one another to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone. I hope that all is well with you. Hope you're having a fabulous day. I'm winding down actually. I'm getting ready to go to bed very, very soon. Trying to wind down now, but I just wanted to, since we're on the subject of garlic, yeah, one of my favorite fruits. So I was just wanted to show you because I know I mentioned it before in a video, I think earlier this summer or something like that. But nonetheless, you all know I love my garlic anyway, anyhow, you know. And I just want to pass this tip on to those who also love garlic, and olive oils as well. I love olive oil and I love my garlic and whatnot. But so what I normally do, I like to make my own garlic infused olive oil. So I have this garlic in here. I've just chopped it up, rough chopped it up. And these are just some old honey jars. You guys know me, I'm very quirky, and I do save different jars if they have, little funny styles to them or shapes or whatever. And these are, so I did, and I did sterilize them. So basically what I do is just put them in there. You see the onion. Oh, I could put onion, but no, I won't. I don't want to put any onion in it. But yeah, just put the garlic in, and then of course I just and this is almost gone, so let's see how far it takes me. And just pour. Oh, it's not taking me anywhere. Oh, just pour some of the garlic in here. I normally put this half. I'll fill it. Oh, nothing's in here. I've never tried this before. I just picked this up the other day. I don't think I tried this brand before. I just wanted a small brand. I normally get the big one, but hold on, sorry. Yeah, but because I wasn't at my regular grocers, I just picked up this smaller one. It was on sale and it had a good little write-up on it, so I picked it up. So basically I will pour this in halfway, not fill it up. Now you can fill it up, it's fine, but I like to do it just not even half really, but do it a quarter way, not a quarter, but a third, excuse me. It's probably the same, but anyway, no, it's not the same. But anyway, like a third of the bottle. That way it's so potent. Then maybe like 2 or 3 days afterward, then I will fill it all the way up. So that's how I normally do it, so that so that it really is just so potent and lovely and whatnot. So, and I use these in salads, pasta dishes, what else? Just anything, I'm cooking with and whatnot. I mean, it just is so lovely. Even on sandwiches, as your spread or whatever for sandwiches. I mean, just for just about everything. And then another thing you could do is infuse, I love spiciness, then that's why I love these too, because I love spice, and I'm talking about heat. I love the heat in my foods and whatnot. So these are just some pepper flakes, red pepper flakes, hot red pepper flakes, and those are also good to infuse. Oh my goodness, have them on top of, whatever. Enjoy. Like I said, we're here to encourage one another to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone. So it's all about enjoying yourself, enjoying what you do, enjoying when you're fellowshipping and ministering to individuals, enjoying yourself by yourself, eating good foods, fresh foods, and just whatever you like, of course, in moderation, you know what I mean? But that's what it's really about. But so I just love, different flavors and trying different things out and whatnot. So this is just my little tip for today. Just wanted to show you that. And then the olive oil is so golden. I love the color of this. It's very rich and nice. So that's all I wanted to show you all. So let me know if you love, garlic, if you love garlic infused olive oils, if you like olive oils infused with anything, orange, lemon, rosemary, however you like it. Let me know how you like your olive oil as well, and if you've ever infused anything as well. And you know, and you know what it's also good with? Oh my goodness, my vinaigrettes. Oh my goodness, make a vinaigrette from an infused olive oil. Whoo! Honey, yes. Yeah, that's all. But I love you very much. I thank you so much for watching and clicking in. And don't forget, please be reminded for us to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and Christ Jesus alone, because all of the ground is sinking sand. And until the next time, I love you very much. Oh, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment if you like. And also visit the description box, because we have a new channel, a new relationship channel regarding different types of relationships, just various relationships. It's not necessarily intimate, intimate. It could be for friends, any type of relationship that you have, and the abuse that may occur in relationships. And we talk about etiquette, just different things. Once the channel grows and more videos are put out, you'll see what the channel is really about. But anyway, I'm just rattling on. Let me just come off of here now so that I can go and wind down. So I love you very much. And yeah, check out the description box for our new channel. And please don't hesitate to go over there, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell over there. Love you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.